In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to number PDF pages. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add clean professional page numbers to any PDF using Smallpdf's Edit PDF tool. This is great for reports, manuals, or any document where clear navigation matters. First, head to Smallpdf and open the Edit PDF tool. You can search for Smallpdf Edit PDF in your browser and select the Edit PDF page from the official site. You'll land on a simple workspace designed for quick edits. Give it a second to load. A stable internet connection helps here. Once the editor is open, you're in the right place to add page numbers without converting your file or installing any extra software. Next, upload your PDF. You can drag and drop your file straight into the window, or use the upload button to browse your computer and select it. Large or multi-page documents are fine. The tool will process them automatically. If your file is important, consider using a copy, just to keep a pristine original on hand. After upload, you'll see a preview of your pages inside the editor. Now click the Page Numbers option in the editor's toolbar. This opens the page numbering settings. Choose where you want the numbers to appear, typically top or bottom, and then select the alignment, such as left, center, or right. For most documents, bottom center offers a classic, easy-to-read look. Adjust the style to match your needs. Depending on what's available, you can pick a numbering format, tweak the size so it's visible but not distracting, and set margins to keep numbers clear of footers or content. If the tool provides it, you can adjust the starting number or target specific pages, which is helpful when you have a title page you don't want numbered. Use the on-screen preview to make sure nothing overlaps with text or images. If anything seems off, refine your placement and style before finalizing. When you're happy with the setup, click Apply. The editor will process your choices and add the page numbers throughout your document. Take a moment to scroll through the pages on screen to confirm everything looks consistent and polished. You've now added page numbers quickly and cleanly, all within your browser. That's it. You went to Smallpdf's Edit PDF tool, uploaded your PDF, customized the position and style of your numbers, and applied the changes. Keep these settings in mind for future documents so your numbering stays consistent across projects. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly numbered PDF.